Start with breathtaking shots of turquoise beaches in Miami, shimmering under golden sunlight. Vivid palm trees sway gently, inviting travelers for relaxing strolls and sunbathing. Visitors enjoy light summer attire, breezy sundresses and shorts, perfect for the warm atmosphere. Transition to Denver's scenic mountain views, snow-capped peaks glowing above lush forests. Hikers sport sporty jackets, insulated vests, and comfortable boots as they explore tranquil trails. Next, capture Seattle's emerald skyline reflected in the glittering Puget Sound. Modern rain jackets and comfy jeans are common amid misty air and stylish downtown districts. Featured travel tip: pack layers for changing climates, maximizing comfort wherever you go. Present New Orleans, with bold French-style balconies and colorful, historic streets. Visitors don casual shirts, airy dresses, or festive Mardi Gras colors for city adventures. Spotlight Charleston's classic pastel architecture, charming gardens, and sunlit waterfront parks. Light cotton blouses, khaki pants, and summer hats offer protection for outdoor sightseeing. Amazing deals make these destinations accessible, offering unforgettable trip experiences. Encourage viewers to grab these limited-time offers for unique memories without breaking the bank. Final tip: book early, compare flights, and make your travel dreams a reality today.